Hi, it's Paula from Paula Quilting. Welcome back to my channel. Here's another video about my UFOs, part 3 of making tops from the same tray with random blocks found in there. I'm almost at the end of using up all the shared fabric related blocks from the tray. If you haven't seen part 1 and 2, I will link them in the description below so you can see what I was starting from. There's still a few more left, however, and again I will show you my attempt on making something out of those blocks. So I'm starting with shared blocks, hourglass blocks and plain squares I introduced in part 1. I also have 2 blocks from Scrapbuster 54 left after part 2, so I would like to use them up because they kind of fit with that type of quilt where I'm using most of the shared fabric. And I decided to use wonky 4 patches and hourglasses blocks to make that first center block for this top. Remaining shared blocks I have mixed with plain squares and sewn into 4 patches. The arrow blocks needed some extra width and length, so I only had a little bit of that stripy fabric from the part 2 left, so I used that, but I didn't have enough, so I used some adding tape strips to bring those to size. The strips are again shared fabric, so kind of fits in nicely. I needed some more blocks, so I have added some sample blocks from the same size I found in my other trays. Happy to use those one up. It was still not enough, so I decided to use up some squares from my magic number trays. I used shared fabric to keep the same feel, so those are 4.5 inch squares made into 9 patches, and then I squared them up a little bit of kind of on wonky side. I didn't want them to be straight, I just want them to have, you know, a little bit of more movement there. So before we carry on with the project, let's just round up where you can find me and how you can support my work. First of all, please subscribe to my channel and watch videos as I'm posting them without skipping the adverts, please. Please comment against the videos because that helps to push them out to wider audience, and don't forget to share with your quilting friends. Join my network either on Facebook or Instagram. All the links how and where are in the description below. Where you see my posts either on Facebook or Instagram, please like, share and comment on them. If you like to add something extra, I've got now membership available through the YouTube. You can also use a super thanks on YouTube or buy me a virtual tea, coffee or lunch using a form on my website. You can also support me by subscribing to my newsletter via my website. That will help me to notify you when I publish new videos or blog posts, or maybe there are some items available to purchase on my website. However you decide to support this channel, thank you very much for being here, and I hope you enjoy the content. I quite like how it turned up. I have added some plain blocks again to fill in a few more gaps there, again with the fabric from the shirt, so it's all in the same kind of feel, the same type of fabrics, which make it more cohesive. And it is gonna be another project, the Linus quilt, so I'm happy to finish that off. I still have some blocks from the original tray I started from. I've used up all of those ones which are shirt related, and now I've got those more colorful ones, so please come back to see what else I can come up with. Hope you are at least a little bit of inspired to work with something you have already around before starting a totally new project. If you have made something using your UFOs or VIPs, something different than you thought initially, please share it on my group page Pola Quilting with friends on the Facebook, or perhaps tag me on the Instagram. I'm looking forward to see what you made. Please subscribe if you haven't done so yet, so you can see what the part 4 will bring, because I think at least part 4 and 5 will be in making from that one tray. But as you can see, I'm adding more stuff to it, not just that tray only block, so kind of grows as I'm working through it. But it does clearing up some other places in my room, so I'm happy about it. Thank you for watching me today, and see you soon.